Evening motorcycle riders popping wheelies, stunting on freeways, bringing traffic to a standstill.
CHP is determined to put the brakes on that problem.
Some of these bikers in the past have been very aggressive. CHP, along with San Diego and Chula Vista Police, saturated the 805 today. They cited several motorcyclists for a variety of violations.
Oh yeah, LA to SD. Let's get this going. Just met up with the first crew. This specifically is a motovlogger meetup right now. Everybody here is a motovlogger. Maybe a +1, you know, like a date. What up, boy? What you got in the truck? So this is specifically a motovlogger meetup right now. There's a huge group of us going. Giant group, right? I mean, it's big right now. Like just this little part right now that we're meeting up. Now we're meeting up with some more of us. We're gonna go down to San Diego, ride around over there a little bit, and after that, we're gonna end up at South Bay Motorsports. What's up, yo? Thank you. I like your truck too. Keep going, Beard. Who else we got?
Fuck off. Yeah, buddy! Let's go. Yeah, I'm in this car, so I gotta torch. Go, go, go.
Getting off right here. This is the other meetup spot where we're gonna meet another group of exclusive motovlogger only. As if this group can't get any bigger. Look how nicely we're lining up. We're so professional at this. We're gonna make this all pretty. Making it nice and pretty for all of us. Look, I parked next to you again. I didn't do so bad this time. What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy?
How's everything?
Good, how you doing?
Good. All right, so let's see, let's get a count. Got 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
We got 24 bikes here right now. That's still not enough. We're gonna meet up with some more people. But this is the crew right now. Hope you guys are enjoying this. Right? You guys having fun?
Oh, yeah.
Hell yeah. You having fun, dude?
Having a blast. How about you?
Hell yeah. It's just the start.
That felt so good.
Right?
I busted my first wheelie. This one caught it.
Did you?
Fuck yeah. I was like, fuck it. First gear, let's do it. Woo.
Damn.
Boom. I was like, fuck, I just wheeled.
San Diego crew. LA crew. San Diego crew. What's good? We are gonna take over the roads. Yep. Hey, Beard.
Hey. The bagger's right behind me, yes!
I'm right behind you. Look at him, tucked in. Damn. Hauling ass, dude. We got a V-Rat sticker on there. That guy Ken right there. Man, beautiful day. Hi. I love it. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. It's so good to be riding with all these guys. Yeah, we lost somebody. Dank Wheelie came out here. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but he's out from Florida and he stunts on his bike hanging out with us. He's in this riding crew too. There he is, I believe. Yeah. Fucking crazy. So good. So good. Woo! Ken wishes he could do that. Look at him, he's just sitting there, he's like, oh! He just chases him. That is beautiful. Woo! And we made it to Tour Cafe, which is one of our destinations. Man, there are so many of us. Do you know the bike count? 4550. Look, we got Snap Crazy over there directing traffic. He got his green vest on. We got our own traffic director right there. He's doing what's got to be done. How's the ride there, Tim?
That was good.
Good ride?
No, I was way back with that Grom.
Oh, were you?
Yeah, and then I caught up to you guys.
We're getting ready to take off. Our giant group taking over this whole block area. Good times, good times. He likes it. Taking over the street. We gotta turn around. Now we're gonna go check out the border between Mexico and America. Oh, it's so good to be riding with all my fellow motovloggers. This is a very exclusive ride. We taking over. Man, beautiful day. Here's Bash right here, the guy who started this whole ride, him and Ghost Ninja. Shout out to him. All right, so I believe we're getting to the border. That's right. Yep, we're here, we're at the border. This is our spot that we like to go to. So last time we were here, we left our signatures there on the wall by putting our stickers on it.
This year I got stickers. Oh, I gotta put yours up there too? Oh, I gotta lift you? Oh, god damn it.
Look, somebody lifts somebody. It ain't gonna be me.
Oh god!
Oh, he's gonna do it? I told you I was gonna do it.
Look at
I should have taken Hot Wheels, he's much more left.
Look at all that crotch in his, look at all that crotch in his face.
Look at little bastard. Oh, I got one.
Here you go.
Go.
Oh, don't drop him.
Go, baby Dave, go! Grab his balls, he's cool. I'm making it. I'm gonna make it. Hold me, guys. Stay steady. Hold me.
Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Oh, peel. We're going for the first peel. There you go.
Yeah.
We still hit it. 4 years ago. Now we're going for the avatar. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Wow.
That guy's fucking smart.
Well, he doesn't want a crotch in his face. Unlike you.
My back doesn't bend that way. turning into a thing.
It is.
It's turning into a thing.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, you still gotta get up there.
Somebody give me a boost, please.
No, you gotta pick him up. So he can put it up there himself. Or you and Warbeard.
Help a brother out, man.
But hear my name over here, so.
On three, right? On three, right?
Yeah, three.
He's still on his butt. You gotta jump?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I can't reach.
It's up, it's up. They just opened the gates.
They're here. They were like, no way, they're gonna open.
These gates do open. They work. These gates actually work. Wait, what's inside?
Wait, got it, wait. It's cool, man. Oh, it's a long road. Hey,
Thank you.
now get a little bit to it. He ain't got no paper. You can get him. Get him.
You know, he's lucky because my shift is over. All right, man. Have a good one.
Taking the day off.
Alright, yo, this is it. We're getting ready to go to the big stop now. All the bikers that are gonna meet us over there at the motorcycle shop.
And the cops are waiting.
Yeah, the cops are there too. It's alright. So we heard that a lot of cops are out there stopping bikes and towing bikes even. But hopefully none of us will run into any trouble. I'm pretty sure I'll be alright. All my stuff is clean. My pipe is a little loud, but it's not that loud. It's just a slip-on. So now we're going to South Bay Motorsports, which is a motorcycle shop, and that's where we're doing a big meet and greet. Like I said, that's where all the people are, and unfortunately cops are kind of raiding it too. That's right, that's not going to get us down because we're still going. Alright, here we go. Now we're exiting. We saw the wall. This has been such a good day. I hope you guys are having as much fun as I am. The motorcycle community out here is so strong. Unreal. Unlike anywhere I have ever seen. Look at this Grom keeping up with us the whole time. Hi. Que pasta? You know it. You know it. Yeah. What, you want me to fill your tank? Is that what you're saying? No, I won't fill your tank. I'm broke, man. I got baby bills. I think we're getting close. I think we're getting close. I hope they're ready for us. I got all my motovlogger friends here from the Southern California area. What is this back way that we're taking? Yeah, watch the dirt over there. I wanna be the very best motovlogger. There's the popo. Here we go. So it starts. Oh yeah, there's a lot of cops. I thought we almost all of us made it without somebody getting pulled over, but I guess somebody in our group fucking got hit.
Well, he broke off earlier today. So
Hammy!
What's
going on? That's Hammy Moto, everybody.
That's me.
Yeah, he's a shit.
One of a kind shit. I haven't been any for anybody. Man, how you doing?
That dude just got towed?
Yeah.
For what? That's a 300?
Yeah, probably exhaust.
No way.
Yeah.
They towed away his 300. Damn.
If it's over exhaust, that means I can get towed.
Yeah, we all leaving together, bro.
Yeah.